Hello everyone, my name is Priya. My roll number is 5336. My topic is free living bacteria. Free living bacteria are symbiotic species. The common example of free living bacteria is Azotobacter, which is an aerobic microbe that is requiring oxygen. A large number of anaerobic bacteria, such as Clostridium pastorinium, also fix nitrogen in the absence of oxygen. There is another group of free living bacteria known as facultative group, which have the property to grow aerobically and anaerobically. These can also fix nitrogen only when growing in the absence of oxygen, as their biochemistry will depend upon the conditions. Other topic is symbiotic bacteria. These fix nitrogen in association with plants. The common example of Rhizobia, which is associated with the nodules on the roots of leguminous plants, that is beans, peas, clove. Other examples are the lichens, where there is a combination of fungus and nitrogen fixing blue-green algae. Since nitrogen is an essential nutrient for plant growth, therefore, such symbiotic association is an important factor in plant growth and agriculture. All nitrogen fixation are nearly identical process and have the following fundamental requirements. First one, the bacterial enzyme called nitrogenase catalyze the process. Second, strong reductant such as ferredoxin, which behaves as an electron carrier with a very redox potential. Third, the energy-rich molecule ATP in biological systems. Fourth, oxygen-free conditions, that is anaerobic. The nitrogenase enzymes responsible for nitrogen fixation contain two metalloproteins. First one, iron protein, also known as iron sulfur protein. Second, molybdenum iron protein, also known as molybdenum iron sulfur protein. Nitrogenase kindia. It is a complex of two proteins in a dynamic equilibrium. Within components, molybdenum iron protein plus 2 iron protein then form nitrogenase complex. Iron protein kindia. Iron protein, also called iron sulfur protein. It is a smaller protein having molecular weight in the range of 50,000 to 70,000. It is also known as azoferredoxin and is yellow in color and extremely air sensitive. Iron molybdenum proteins are also known as molybdenum iron sulfur protein. It contains both molybdenum and iron and therefore is known as molybdenum iron protein or molybdoferredoxin. It is a brown in color and air sensitive protein and has molecular weight in the range 220,000 to 240,000. It has more complicated structure and found to contain two metal centers. These are first, P cluster containing 8 iron, 7 sulfur center, and second, iron molybdenum cofactor containing 7 iron, 1 molybdenum, 9 sulfur cluster. Thank you.